in order for you to improve or increase the chances for you to have a job after graduation. So think about what you can do for your country and think what you can do for your country from the top brass management first perspectives. So that is how do you see yourself in APL actually. You come here to learn something, knowledge about something, and also a skill about something. And of course, you need to consider how to use the knowledge and also the skills for something for the country. And from there, actually, you got the benefit from the from the job that you are doing, and also you can also create a career for other people in this country. So as a matter of explaining a little bit about this course, let's see the course outline. The chapter 1, this is about top brass industry roles and importance, top brass history, industry career, and also the top quality and top brass management. And then the chapter 2 is about common top brasses in Malaysia. And we will learn about the top brass descriptions and also the taxonomy and identification. And there will be a practical for this one. But then we will only do it next week, Thursday afternoon next week. Chapter 3, this is about top brass establishment. Okay. In the beginning, we learn about the factor affecting top establishments, and also we will learn about the species selection criteria. And then, of course, chapter 4, we will learn about planting, propagation, soil modification, drainage system, and also post-planting care, nursery management, top harvesting, and returfing. And we will have one practical related to this lecture, and that is the top grass planting in a small scale. And then chapter 5, it is about the primary maintenance. Primary maintenance, we have two parts. One is the fundamental, mowing, fertilizer application, and irrigation. And the other one is the supplementary primary maintenance, for example, touch control, top dressing, aerating, matting, wetting, and some other things, for example, like growth regulation and biostimulants. And we have one practical on this, that is weed control, that is associated, okay, with this primary maintenance. And of course, we have this secondary or additional maintenance, of course, controlling of weed, disease, insect, nematodes, algae, and large animal. And we will have one practical top grass renovation. In this practical, we will plant top grass in front of the faculty, and you need to take care of the top grass on a daily basis. You need to ensure that it will grow successfully, and also remove the weeds, and also use it as a field where you practice on how to apply fertilizer to top grass field. And then chapter 7, that is all about the mathematics of top grass maintenance. Okay, how much fertilizer do you apply on the ground? You need to learn on how to calculate it. Okay. Although you may have also learned this kind of skills in other courses in APL, but the one that I am sharing with you in this course will be specifically for top grass maintenance. So there will be a slightly different way of doing it compared to other kind of crops. But of course, the general and fundamental philosophy on fertilizer application will be almost the same across different kind of crops that we have in our agricultural industry. And there will be one practical here, fertilizer application and spreader use and calibrations. All right, so as a reminder, all reports will be written according to the scientific writing scheme. For the practical, I will provide you with the guidelines on how to prepare your practical reports. You can always use that guideline in order for you to learn how to produce systematic scientific writing reports. Okay, so all answers have to be grammatically correct, either written in BM or BI. So I will conduct this course in English and of course in Bahasa also. You can always ask. You can always answer the the exams in Bahasa Malaysia. You can also answer in Bahasa Inggris, but ensure that you did not mix two languages, and also ensure that your answer, okay, your answers are can be understood, okay, by me, and also in any case, if you have a demonstrator in this course, your answers will be also understood by that person. Okay, so a little bit about the lecture learning planning in this course. And of course, we shall start around 19 March last week, but that is too close to the Hari Raya celebration, and that's the reason that we postpone it today. And for today, we will have this week one lecture, and also in the afternoon, we will have another lecture about third graph description and identification. So we will complete 2 weeks of lecture. So, and then on the 2nd of April, we will learn about top grass establishment, about the species selection in the morning, and then in the afternoon, we will have this top grass identification practical. And the rest is about top grass establishments, that is the planting and maintenance after planting. And we will learn also about the machineries, mower, spreader, and sprayer, and top grass maintenance, irrigation, watering, mathematics, fertilizer application, and mathematics, and fertilizer application, and mathematics also. And then mowing with control, and then after that there will be a semester break. I do believe that there will be a changes in the schedule later on, but so far this is will be the lecture planning in this course. And then after the semester break, we will have a top grass additional maintenance, top dressing, touching, and aerating, pest and disease and control, pest disease control also related to mathematics. And of course, on the week 14, we will have a little bit revision about the knowledge and skills in this course, everything about primary and secondary maintenance of top grass. And of course, finally, we will have the study week around June and July, and final examination weeks in July. We will have about 5 practicals, top grass description and identification, that will be in the afternoon of 2nd of April. A small scale planting, the 9th of April. And then area renovation and maintenance after planting on the 16th of April. Fertilizer application on the 23rd of April, and of course, top grass weed control on the 21st May. If there is any changes in this learning plan, I will inform everyone in the WhatsApp group. And of course, if there is any case that we cancel the lecture or practical, we need to do it in another day. So we will discuss the suitable time for the lecture and also for the practical, those that being delayed for reason that we cannot avoid. So here are the references in this course. Of course, the first one is about management of grass disease, published in around 2019. Most of these references are available in our library, and you can always visit our very beautiful library in IPL to find many of these references. Of course, I have checked the recent publication of Topgrass and found out that, yeah, of course, we don't have the really latest one, but I do believe there will be like a publication in 2002 or something like that. But it is just a new printing or maybe revision of those available on the screen. There will be more details will be given during lecture briefing and also through ITEL CMS. So I have just checked the ITELs. I didn't have updated it because there was a problem with the system over the past weeks actually, and it just being corrected by the webmaster, and because of that, I didn't have the time to upload the additional information. Uh, then I will upload it later on, maybe after today lecture, and you can visit it and then download the uh, PDFs copy of the lectures in this course through ITELs. So thank you very much. That is a little bit about this course. Okay, on the screen you can see that is a very beautiful top grass called pearl grass. So it is a very compact kind of turf grass species. So all right, that's all from me. So if you have any question, you can ask me.